How to buy Amazon gift card with credit card. Amazon.com is an online marketplace where customers can buy a wide variety of products, including electronics, books, clothing, groceries, and more. In order to buy Amazon gift card, first you have to add credit card. So first go to Amazon.com. Log in to your account. Then click on Account and List option. Click on your payments. Click on Add a payment method. Click on Add credit card or debit card. Put your credit card details and click on Add credit card. Now search Amazon gift card. Go to e-gift card option. You can customize your gift card. Click on Buy gift card. Thanks for watching.